Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel of Professional Work by Karam Pawra. So today we are learn about alphabet means A, B, C, D. So let's start now. Ready for you. Subscribe this video, like and share it. A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for grapes.
G for grapes.
H for hat.
H for hat.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
J for jug.
J for dog.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for nest.
M for lunch.
O for orange.
O for orange.
P for peacock.
P for peacock.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rose.
R for rose.
S for sun.
S for sun.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for van.
V for van.
W for watch.
W for watch.
X for Xmas tree.
Christmas tree.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Hello.